If they lead with how do you compare to the competition, what I would do is say, to be honest, I don't know applicable with your situation. So what I'd like to do, I'm happy to answer that, but if we could hold that off to the side, I'd like to learn a little bit about your current situation, the capabilities you need, where you guys are at, where you want to go right now, because if this is something where I cannot help you and there is a competitor that can probably get you there faster, I'll be the first one to raise my hand, let you know, save you a bunch of time. Fair enough? What did I do there? I just showed confidence, right? Like I don't sell people that aren't a fit. And now that allows me to have a good conversation with you. And then if they still ask that question at the end, I'm not going to dog the competition. I'm not going to go through a laundry list of what I would say first and foremost, I understand that you guys are at 11.7 million right now. You want to get to 13. What's most important to you on this onboarding is that you're not using your IT staff to do it. You've been burned in the past with XYZ and ABC, and you can't afford to have a miss on this program. Based on everything you told me, you are exactly the type of company that we've worked with, and we've helped literally hundreds of them get from where you're at right now to where you want to be. Does it make sense to move forward? What I do not want to get into is a tit for tat about the competition as this and the competition as that, because off the record, guys, it don't matter. Even if their price is lower and their features are better, what matters is that the sales rep and the company they're working with understands their gosh darn situation. If you don't understand that, the deal blows up. The problem is when you start talking about us versus them, we lose the client's story and the client's needs. And then also all it does is give the client a laundry list. We think we're being so smart and saying, oh, well, they don't have this report. All we're doing, I used to call that planting grenades, right? We're going to plant these grenades. Customer wasn't born. They're just going to call them and go, hey, well, they said you don't have this. You don't think they have a rebuttal for that? Oh, well, yeah, they're out of their minds. We do. But they might, because they're the new version, right? They said your price is too high. Oh, well, we'll lower the price, right? It's just giving them it's a race to the bottom, right? But when you say, hey, Douglas, I understand your situation. I know does it make sense to move forward, right? Well, I mean, not right now. Got it. What's a good next step? I do need to reach out to that competition, right? Fair enough. Hey, I want to make sure that I'm clear on something. The way we have this scoped, I can get it done right there at this price, and this team will be doing it. If we wait on this, the price could change. It goes up typically. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that, or we lose the install team, I will work with you. We'll find the next best install team at that point, right? We're being cool, calm, and collected. But what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to do a freaking NFL combine with the competition, because they're going to cheat, right? It's just going to be who can lie the most about the other company and lie the most about what they can do. And at the end of the day, the one that gets the business drops their price. Right? This way, if we don't talk about the competition, they're going to drop their price and they're going to come back to us and they're going to say, hey, I talked to them. They're going to give me 20% off. Can you match that? And you're going to calmly go, Nick, you're going to go, got it, 20% off? Yeah, they're doing 20% off. Can you guys match it? Just out of curiosity, why do you think they're dropping their price by 20%?
Right.
Well, they're not really confident in their product. Yeah, I get it. Does it make sense to get this moved forward so that we can get you from 11.7 to 13.2 million? Yeah, it does. Are you sure you can't lower your price? I'm sure. And I'm not saying you might not end in a price negotiation, but it shouldn't be yes, I will do that. If I can do that, will you buy? Because they're going to say yes, and they're going to lie to you, and then they're going to call them. And again, it's a race to the bottom. Hey, you're losing deals right now, and you don't even know why. And that should scare you. I get it. You think you're saying the right things. You think you're doing everything by the book, but deals are slipping through your fingers. Why? Because nobody ever taught you the right way to sell. I'm Matt Easton, and at Easton University, I'll show you exactly what to say, exactly what to do, and exactly how to close more deals fast. You're going to get access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It's going to show you everything you need to know to double your sales within 30 days. But it doesn't stop there. I'm going to work with you live twice a week to make sure you hit your goals. I'm going to be there with you every single step of the way. Stop guessing and start closing. Click the link here and take control of your sales career right now.